guys, so today we're gonna be throwing frame guards on my Surron to make it way cleaner. So it looks like this got delivered. See y'all downstairs. The frame guards just got delivered, but I ordered gloss instead of sparkle with gloss. So I'm actually so mad. But luckily, I have a full spray paint. I got primer and the right one. Yeah, let's go. We're outside now. I haven't put them all out, so let's put them all out. I think that's good, so let's start spray painting. Here we go. Alright, I think it's done. I think I just need to touch up on a couple things and then we're good. Dude, I really don't know if it's good. I like never spray paint, bro. Literally see y'all in like whenever it dries. And if it looks good, I literally do not know what I'm doing, bro. But if it looks good, we can put the purple sparkle and then that'd look good. Alright, it's been about an hour and it looks like it dried. I think I should just put it on now and then I think we'll be good. So let's put the new paint on and let's go. Oh shoot, I think I messed up because this is supposed to be purple and I think I actually messed this up. Oh shoot. We'll see you next cut. I don't even know what happened. Alright, I think I need to grab my black spray paint because it's definitely not working. So let's go grab my black spray paint because white primer doesn't work for the spray paint. Alright, we got the black spray paint, so let's turn this on. It should be good. We got everything black. Like, see y'all in like 2 hours or hour. I don't know. Actually did not know what happened. Dude, are you freaking kidding me? I think I'm cooked. I'm just gonna spray paint over it and see if it still looks good. But I think we're cooked. It looks like they're finished. I've sprayed black primer and that works because white primer I guess doesn't work. These are not all of them. I have the other ones drying. So let's put these on. Let's do all of them for this side first and then we can switch to the other side. Got the first one on. I literally stripped this bowl so I can't get this out. So it's gonna have to like hang here somehow. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. All right guys, we just put on all of this. It literally turns blue as I walk this way and it's crazy. We got it all on. I did mess up, but when I messed up, it actually looks better now. So let's ride with the new frame guards on. This thing is insane, bro. It makes it look so good. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, bro, we're back on the Surron. I haven't rode this bike in so long. It feels so big compared to like the Yasma. Ugh. Oh shoot, I messed that up. Dude, why am I leaning so much? That's so freaking goofy. This looks so clean, bro. Oh, pop it up. Ugh. Oh, dude, why am I leaning, bro? Is it like I have a flat? I do not know what's happening. That's so weird, bro. Dude, but the crazy part is, dude, it looks, I did not expect it to look this good. Like, we literally have a budget powder coat. It was expensive for the frame guard because you had to buy them from a website. Oh my gosh. Dude, why am I leaning? Like, why am I doing that? Come on, fix my wheelies, bro. Dude, I'm freaking leaning, bro. Dude, I cannot get over the fact this looks so freaking good. We're gonna go out. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, bro. If my camera angle looks bad, bro, I'm actually gonna be mad. Oh my gosh. Dude, and it looks so good with the ebike on, too. Please don't lean. No, like, that's so weird. I wonder what's causing that. Or wait, if I stand up on the seat, does the same thing happen? A little bit, I think. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh shit, I'm leaning the other way. I'm going too slow. Oh, that was low right there. No freaking way, bro. No. Bro, the frame guard. It wasn't sticky enough. Freaking way, bro. Here, I'm about to pull off to the side. We gotta stick this back on. It wasn't, I know why it's not on all the way. But we gotta make sure these are secure, bro, because we're gonna hit the dirt. Okay, so we gotta make sure this pops right here. And if it falls off again, I'm gonna have to like zip tie it or something. Or just put new adhesive on it. Next probably mod is gonna supermotos. Probably not because I like hitting dirt. But that's like, if I wanted to pick something, that's what I wanna get, bro. Yep, it happened again. Yep, I can't. Gonna have to zip tie this. Yo, this EVMX, I just can't get over the torque, bro. It still has so much torque. The only thing about frame guards, they like to crack. But look, yeah, it's already coming off. We're gonna go zip tie this. Yeah, this is the only non-secure one, so. Oh, please let me go in front of you, yes. Holy crap, bro, this helmet's so different. I have to wear this helmet. I have to wear this chin mount helmet because I have like no other mounts to go on my dirt bike helmet, so I have to wear this weird motorcycle helmet. My mic probably sounds better on like the Osmo videos. But like, for first time spray painting, this is not even that bad. Oh shoot. I did miss a spot right here. Can't even see that until riding right now. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a couple things to make sure this doesn't fall off when I'm doing like jumps or something. It's actually kind of cold out here. Can we one hand this? Ugh, on the Surron. Oh yeah, we can do that easily. Oh yeah. Does look insanely good though. Alright, we got this new drone. Oh, I just got this new drone that sent to me. This thing is insane. It literally can freaking follow you. That's insane. So we're gonna, all you have to do is click this button. And we got the camera on here. So I can literally just click record. Just literally click record on here. And we can just pop a wheelie and it follows us. Holy oh my gosh. That's insane, bro. And then what if I sell my brakes? Wait, I want to do a... So close. Let me see if I can. Dude, imagine looping and this is behind you. That would be insane. Let's see if it can keep up though. But this thing could go like 30 miles per hour. Holy crap, that's insane! I want to take this thing off road. And that would be so cool. We're wheeling and I have a freaking drone that's capturing everything. I want to take it off road. That would be so cool. If I take it off road, let's do it. First, I gotta pop a wheelie. And a slow wheelie, so... Oh, shit. I messed it up. Let's do a slow wheelie so it can actually keep up. No, bro. I suck at wheeling. What the freak? No, why am I leaning so much? Oh yeah, and another thing is, bro, this is literally crazy how this thing is just freaking following me. If you guys follow my TikTok, you already saw footage of this, but like, yeah. It's at 49%, and I can literally just go into my bag, and then I can just grab the other battery and stuff it in there. It's crazy. Go up here. Oh! Just captured all of that, though. Ooh. This little hill right here. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna go up here, see if it keeps up. Bro, that's insane, it's keeping up. I want to do this though. I want to see what it looks like when it's following me and it's a jump. Dude, y'all just see that? That was insane. It just caught itself when it hit something. Yo, bro, this thing is insane, bro. I don't know if it could do this, but I'm about to do it. Okay, I think it could actually hit this jump. No freaking way. 3, 2, and go. No, it looked like it captured all of that. That's insane. Ooh, we're on the big field now. Let's see if we're gonna. Whoa, yo, this thing is so sweet. I'm just gonna hit the gas and see if I can keep up, and then slam on the brakes and see. It's coming straight for my head. Oh, that almost hit my head. I'm gonna do a burnout in his face. That's so cool, bro. It's literally just recording everything. Let's see if it could keep up over here. Dude, this thing is insane, bro. Yo, if you want to buy this thing is insane. Alright, we're popping a wheel. Let's pop a wheelie. Boom, boom, bop, beat. Oh, shoot. We're actually getting a little better. Ah, let's go. Holy crap, bro. Dude, it's just following me. I'm gonna slam on the brakes and see what it does. Oh, what the freak? Yo, that's insane. Wait, I'm just gonna full throttle and see what happens. And see if it can keep up in the field. That would be insane if it can go like 50 miles per hour. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It got gapped. Wait, I just want to fly past it. I want to fly past it and see what happens. Yo. Alright, it's low battery, so I'm just going to return it. Yo, why is it so high? Yo, what are you doing up there, buddy? You gotta come down there. I can't reach you. Oh, I can just manual control it. Oh, that's cool. Look, just comes in my hands. Oh, that's sweet. There's 60 FPS. I should have been recording in that. And let's talk about the frame guards. They are holding together pretty nice. Yeah, they are. None of them fell off yet, so that's good. I'm gonna return this. It literally just fits in my pocket. We're gonna return this, bro. And we can keep riding our Surron. Yo, if you're an OG, yeah, you would remember the Red Star Q20 vids. 500 miles later. Red Star Q20s. Now I got this freaking Surron with all these bikes. It's insane. Oh my gosh. Wait, I want to do that again. Oh! Alright, I want to hit the quick little wheel. Eee! Oh my god, this feels way better. No! What? I have to freaking lean. Oh, maybe because I have no tread on my freaking back tire. Let me check that. My brakes are chopped too. Yeah, look. My tread is cooked. And my bike is like wobbling. Why is my bike looking like that? I think it's supposed to look like that. Dude, this thing is... That's a beast, bro. Here, I want to see what it looks like again. Oh my gosh. That's insanely crazy. And we go on this side, and then it just turns purple. Bro, what are these kids doing? Is that a mini ride out? Yeah, I'll come. Yeah, I guess we're I don't even know. These are what happens in my neighborhood, bro. I still have this drone in my pocket, so I don't even know what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're just cruising and I'm smelling gas. Well, I got pretty low right there. I need to extend my arms more. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know why my brakes feel so good if you squeeze them and then wheelie, and then you can just squeeze them like that and they feel like ultra brakes. That's an insane tip. Like, nobody does that. Like, just look. Like, boom. Oh my gosh. Ultra brakes. Alright, I'm probably gonna end the video. I don't even know what we're gonna do. But we're gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe. And see y'all in the next video. Peace.